Hey guys, welcome back into the course called X7 training. As I taught you these tools, the basic tools inside Coldra, so now we will create some basic projects, some basic logos using Coldra X7, and we will use these simple tools so you guys can understand that how the tools works and how can you use them in a practical environment to create something. So this is the second section of this course, and after creating some basic logos we'll then discuss the menus, and in the last we will create some advanced designing in advanced projects in this course. So let's start with very basic thing. uh, I mean a very basic logo like BBC. If you go to Google and write BBC logo, so you will see this kind of logo. Very simple, very easy. You can create this kind of logo in Corel very easily, and we will create this. I will create it in front of you. So for example, if you want to create this one, I mean exactly this one, so first of all we'll just go and we'll take this I mean this rectangle box. We'll create a small this kind of box, and inside this we'll just fill the color into this one, to this box. From here the white color, this is the inside color of this simple box, I mean this white box. Now we will take this text tool, we'll click inside this box and we'll write B, and we'll just increase the size using our mouse. So this is simple B. And now the next thing will be something like let me check this. Yes, it's okay. So color of the B will be this one. Let me expand the colors, and that BBC logo has color not this one, yes, this one. Okay, so after I created this thing, now I will select both the text and the box. I will just select both by dragging here, and you can use this option or Control G from your keyboard to make it a group. So I will just make it a group for a while, and I will just take a copy of this group, I mean this text in the object or the box, both are now a group, I mean a single object. So I will just use Control C from my keyboard and just will again use Control V. I mean I just took a copy and will paste it on the same place. You will not see, but I will just drag this here, so you will see that now there is a copy. But I will use the arrow key from my keyboard, the right arrow key, so you can see same like this. So I have dragged it. Now I will take a copy of this one, Control C and then Control V to paste again there. So I have simply taken a copy of this, and now we'll change this text using the text tool to C. So that's it. Now what I can do is to select all of them and just put it here. Now I will take a box, this box, give it a color like this one or this one, and just will make these all a group from here, or I can use Control G from my keyboard, or you will see this option here in the property box when you select more than one objects. I'll click it. Now this is a single object, so I can put it here, but the problem is that it is behind this one, this object. So I can right click this object, will go to order and just to back of the page. No, okay, so I will just click this first one. I will go to order and to back of page. click this, so you can see this is exactly like this. A little bit, the color is a little bit changed, but you can change the color from here, that does not matter. But actually we want to create the shape, basically the exact shape for this. Now we can write something like news text here. This will take text tool and we'll write news, and we'll just make the size bigger. Let's change the color to white. Change the color from here to white. So this is the first simple logo we have created, basically very easily. Now I will keep it here, and in next tutorial I will teach you how you can create another basic logo in Corel.